This is section 2.3, modeling with linear functions. So this section is all about taking word problems and writing linear functions to model what is going on. So Emily wants to spend a summer in Seattle. She has saved $3,500 for her trip and anticipates spending $400 each week on rent, food, and activities. How long can she stay in Seattle before she runs out of money? So we're going to need to find a slope and a y-intercept. So m equals and b equals. So m is going to be a rate, so how fast or slow something is going, which in this case is her spending. Okay, so she's spending $400 each week, so that means her slope is negative 400. Notice if she was gaining $400 a week, it would be a positive 400, but since she's spending it, it's going to be negative. And our y value is kind of like our base, or like how much we started out with, which is 3,500. So we can write the equation y equals negative 400x plus 3,500. Now that doesn't answer the question. The question is how long can she stay in Seattle before she runs out of money? So we need to know when she's going to have $0. So I'm going to put 0 in for y. And I'm going to solve from there. So I'm going to add 400x to both sides. And then divide. So if I get my calculator out, 3,500 divided by 400 is 8.75. So she will make it 8.75 weeks. So almost 3 months, but not quite. A town's population has been growing linearly. In 2004, the population was 6,200, and by 2009, the population had grown to 8,000. Write an equation to predict the population in 2013. Identify the year in which the population will reach 15,000. So our first step is to write an equation. So we need a slope, and we need a y-intercept. Well, I see 2 points. So 2004, it was 6,200, and 8,000 in 2009. So our points are 2004, 6,200, and 2009, 8,000. So we can use our slope formula. So 8,000 minus 6,200 over 2009 minus 2004. 8,000 minus 6,200 is 1,800 divided by 5 years. And if we take our calculator, we can find 1,800 divided by 5 is 360. And then our y-intercept is how much we started with. In this case, we started with 6,200 people in 2004. So y equals 360x plus 6,200. Predicting the population in 2013. So that means we're going to plug in 2013 for x. So y equals 360 times 2013 plus 6,200. Actually, I just made a mistake. So x is the number of years. Okay. So how many years has it been from 2004 until 2013? Well, it's been 9 years. So x is actually going to be 9 in this case. So 360 times 9 is 3,240 plus 6,200 So the population is going to be 9,440 people. And then to predict or identify the year in which the population will reach 15,000, now we're going to put 15,000 in for y. So 15,000 is equal to 360x plus 6,200. So let's subtract 6,200 from both sides to get 8,800. And then divide by 360 to get 24.4, repeating, equals x. So we have to take 2004 plus that 24.444 years. So it looks like the population is going to reach 15,000 in about in 2028. All right. Jamal is choosing between two truck rental companies. Company A charges an upfront fee of $20 plus 59 cents per mile. Company B charges an upfront fee of $16 plus 63 cents per mile. When will Company A be the better choice? So let's write two equations. Let's write one equation for Company A and an equation for Company B. So for A, our slope is our rate that we have, so 59 cents times x plus an upfront fee of $20. For B, it's 63 cents per mile plus $16. So to find out when Company A will be the better choice, we're going to set them equal to each other. If you think about it, going back to Algebra 1, this is using the substitution method of solving a system of equations. So I'm going to solve this by getting all the x's on one side and all the numbers on the other side. So 4 equals 0.04x. Divide both sides by 0.04, and we get 100 equals x. So after 100 miles, Company A is going to be the better choice.